Hey, what's up? What's up? Okay, welcome back. Guys, let's explore this Wirex wallet. So, this is a Web3 non-custodial. So here you can also deposit or store your crypto here, like for example, you have a AVAX. Okay, and you have a WXT. You can also lock your WXT token, guys, on Nereus Finance, which you can get some good APR. Okay. Also, guys, this Wirex wallet is my top one crypto wallet. Okay, top one crypto wallet, and also you can receive NFT here, but for me, don't have NFT on this wallet because this wallet is my second wallet. My main wallets have Nereus NFT in there. So in the you can also check your activity in here, login made, your receive and swap transactions, and also in action section you can click receive, send tokens, buy crypto. So if you want to buy crypto directly, you can direct it on ramford.com. So you can buy directly crypto in here using your GCash if you have a GCash account. Okay. So let's go back. And also you can connect Wirex wallet to different DeFi platform, You can also click connect wallet, and you need to scan the QR code on the, for example, 1inch, Nereus Finance, Curvefi, okay, etc., and many more. And you can also earn, not quite sure if this already live. Let's check the Aave, Tether. So the current percentage, how much we can earn per year, it's not showing in this page. Go back. And also, guys, here you can see your Wirex profile. You can set your account recovery, generate per paper backup QR code, because you need to scan this if you lost your mobile phone. You need to scan the QR code, and you need to separate your email from this device, because you need the email also and the QR code in order to log log in your Wirex wallet on another device. And also you can also submit a bug glitches. You can submit to Wirex team so they can improve this feature of debug. And you can delete your account, but it's not suggested, guys. Don't delete your account, because if you delete your account, you'll lose your crypto in there. Okay, so don't do it. And also, guys, you can add your favorite token in here. Like for example, um I want to add a Polygon, Solana, Stellar, and add custom tokens, which you need to paste the contract address. And Blacknet, V token, there's many more crypto in here, and different change, Arbitrum, Avalanche, BSC, Ethereum, FTM, Polygon, and Stellar Lumen. So you see, guys, there's this wallet supported so many blockchain, So let's go back. And that's it, guys. Hope you use this Wirex wallet, and also don't forget to write a review on Play Store or App Store on Wirex Wallet. So that's it, guys. If you have a question, I will also drop the Wirex Discord group. Okay. So I'm sorry for my English. I'm not quite good on speaking English, but I'll try to improve my speaking on English day by day. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Let's go. VXT to the moon.